You're probably aware of the publicity surrounding Mercy Ministries in the last week, which has been horrific. The suggestion or the allegation that people suffering from mental health illness have been party to a program which has not had the means by which to deal with mental health issues, psychiatric issues, eating disorders, when there's no psychiatrist on site, when the counselling is perhaps 1 hour a week, when there aren't the credentials to be able to deal with people with long-term, deep-seated emotional and psychological problems. I mean, we're dealing right now with the people that have emerged from this, and it's really, really scary. It's really, really scary.
What else are they telling you?
Well, what we're being told and what we're dealing with is people who went in hopeful of a particular solution, hopeful of a particular remedy towards long-standing problems, and coming out worse, coming out shattered, coming out completely broken, coming out with no trust ever again in another human being on this earth. Even for me to be able to establish trust with them was extremely difficult because I had to go through the hoops of identifying myself as someone who has no other agenda. And they are a wonderful bunch of people, very special people, and that's perhaps another issue, that is the good people that fall into this in so many different aspects.